At Illinois Pulley & Gear, precision is refined through every stage of manufacturing. Our Wire EDM capability allows us to cut complex shapes and intricate features with exceptional accuracy. Using a thin, electrically charged wire, material is removed without direct contact, eliminating cutting forces and maintaining tight tolerances. This process is ideal for hard materials and detailed profiles that would be difficult or impossible to achieve through conventional machining. Wire EDM enables us to produce precise internal features, sharp corners, and fine details critical to high-performance power transmission components. Through controlled processes and attention to detail, Illinois Pulley & Gear delivers high-precision components built for performance, durability, and repeatability at scale. To learn more on our capabilities, please visit our website at IllinoisPulley&Gear.com.